Hi everyone, Crystal back again with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing my submission for Craftpurge's Halloween swap. It's like a pocket swap where we were to make an embellishment, a bow, a sequin mix, and like a goodie, and then you just had to decorate the pocket. So I bought the, what is it? Halloween, what is this paper pad called? It's the Joanne one, the Halloween party. So this is the one I wanted to use because it just has really fun papers. It's double-sided, and I wanted to kind of use like traditional colors kind of. So here is what I created, and it's super cute. I used, let me take everything out. I used a KS Craft die, and I followed Solocrafts tutorial on using the die a different way. And what she did was made two pockets using the the other insert that it comes with. So I loved the idea, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's perfect for this whole project. So that's what I use there. I will link the tutorial on how to make this down below. But I made, let me take this spider off. I made mine into the front pocket has a bat on it, and it's a shaker bat, also using a KS Craft bat die. And so I did that there, and then I adhered this spider web that I die cut out as well, and I got this die from AliExpress as well. I don't remember who the seller was. It could have been KS Craft. And then I added this little dangly bit here, a little spider with a pom-pom butt. So cute. And then I just put October 31st here and made like a little flag cluster. And then I made this into a shaker. So cute. And then I add a little bow here. And then on the corner up here, I just added this little dangle that I created. It's a chunky dangle. This one says Eek. I wire wrapped a bunch of beads. And then this one is actually from Craftpurge. She gave me a bunch of these. I think these are made out of glue. I just love it because it's not heavy. It's super light, and so it doesn't weigh down the project. So that's kind of what I did there. And I just used an assortment of different beads from my collection. And so that's the pocket and what it's gonna kind of go in. Here is my bow. Sorry, I packaged everything already because I'm kind of running behind, but that is the bow that I created. Super cute. It's a shaker bow, and then this is just a holographic bow that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just added it on top. And then down here, I showed this on my Instagram, but it's like a bat embellishment. I mean, a book embellishment, and this one just says bat wings. And I did some hollow paper for the pages, and it's just so super cute. And I added a little dangly charm down here as well. And then the top, I just added this bat with a bow, kind of as like the topper, I guess. But yeah, that's where I did my bow and my embellishment. And then I did this sequin mix. I think I saw Christina make one of these, and she just used the little like plastic from Target's Dollar Spot. It's like for this in the school section. But yeah, she made a little insert too. So I was like, oh, that's a super cute idea. So I added a bag topper, and I got this bag topper from Ali. I added some of that snow tulle from Dollar Tree, and then this black tulle that I got from Joann's as well. And then this was actually made by Tony for me last year, and so I was like, I'm gonna try to use stuff that people have made just because I don't want to hoard it forever. So that's what I added there, and it just coordinated really well with this, so that's what I put there. And then this is my goodie. I just added a sticker from the sticker pack that comes with this collection, or you buy it separately, but it coordinates well with this collection. And I just repackaged some of these black hearts. I mean, what is wrong with me? I can't talk today. Black flowers from Hobby Lobby. So that goes there. And this goes in the front like so. And then in here, oh, that's another thing we had to include, our die cuts. So I included kind of like a goodie bag. So I gave some of these acrylic like bats and spiders. And then I included this bat. What else? These bones. Some of these, this spider, the skull. These words that I already stitched. That says spooky, scary, eek, and ghoul. And then I layered this trick or treat word die. And then I have this little haunted, spooky haunted house. And then 2 of these holographic dies that Tony got all of us buying. So I kind of just threw this in here like so. And these are the die cuts that I'm including with that. And then so each recipient will get this little goodie bag here, and that kind of just goes tucked away back here. And so that's kind of how I'm having it done. And then because this side was kind of plain, I added this juicy spider that I adhered to this holographic paper clip from Michaels, and she just goes on like so, just so she has there's something in the like corner. Takes up space. So that is my entry to Tony's group swap. I hope everyone likes what I created. It's so cute. So these are the 4. They're all pretty similar. And so yeah, that is my entry. I hope you guys like it and get inspired. And thanks for watching. Happy Halloween, or early Halloween. Happy crafting, guys. Bye.